Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Raffle BBA College, Vapi. In the subject Human Resource Management, let's move forward with the unit number 2, that is Human Resource Planning. In that same title, we will be going to continue with the new topic today regarding succession planning, and a short note may ask about the same topic for 7 marks. So let's talk about what is succession planning, what are the needs for succession planning, and what are different features of succession planning. So students, let's try to understand the meaning of succession planning. Succession planning is a process whereby an organization ensures that employees are recruited and developed to fill each key role within the company. Now listen students, what happened in the organization due to the reasons like resignation, retirement, promotion, expansion, etc. The current key position managers are going to shift or retire from the current position, and that's why the scenario may occur, and that is what vacancies may create within the organization. Now these vacancies can be filled up with the help of only existing employees. So actually succession planning, that is a source of internal recruitment where the present employees are developed and trained so that they will suitable for the future position. That is called as succession planning. Now let's talk about the needs of succession planning. The first one need, that is ensure business continuity. Succession planning ensures business continuity. It means the organization does not cease to exist when the key position become vacant due to sudden death, resignation or retirement. So कोई भी अनसर्टेनिटीज़ आए जहाँ पर अनअवेलेबिलिटी हो की पोजीशन रोल पर्सन की, ऐसे केस में इफ़ सक्सेशन प्लानिंग प्रॉपरली किया है देन इट ensures the business continuity, so it will not interrupt the business operations. Second one need, that is develops potential employees. Succession planning is important for grooming and developing competency of the next possible successor. So here what happened, that the current existing employee will rightly train and his potential will be utilized for the future vacancies, and that's why existing employees को ऐसे well train किया जाता है कि यहाँ पर उनकी potential abilities को use करके maximum use of current resources, especially human resources, यहाँ पर यूटिलाइज करके पॉसिबिलिटीज़ को, ग्रोथ की पॉसिबिलिटीज़ को बढ़ाया जाता है. द थर्ड वन नीड फॉर सक्सेशन प्लानिंग, दैट इज आइडेंटिफाइज नेक्स्ट सक्सेसर. द प्रोसेस हेल्प टू आइडेंटिफाई नेक्स्ट पॉसिबल सक्सेसर इन एडवांस. सो what happen in the higher position, if person is promoted with the other plant, then here next one subordinate is ready to join the future position. So succession planning helps to identify the next one successor which will continue the business operation without any interruption. Third one need, that is smooth functioning. Succession planning ensures smooth functioning of the organization, as we had discussed in the second one need. There is supply of competent and skillful employees to take up the role and responsibility of the key managers. As we had discussed that succession planning provide the opportunities for train and developing skills and potential abilities. So that's why there is lack of the slack time or gap between the promotion opportunities, and that's why you can see the smooth functioning within the organization due to the succession planning. Next one need, that is reduces the cost of operation. We know very well that if we are going to search the candidate, especially the personnel who are having the competencies from outside of the organization, that is not only time consuming but also costly. But what happened here, succession planning provide existing employees with the higher level competencies who may suitable for the higher level key position, and that's why yes, it reduces the cost of organization and also saves the time. The next one need, that is corporate image. Organization invest in identifying and grooming the employees by providing training programs to the existing employees and offering the growth opportunities to the present employees, and that's why it will create a positive attitude and trust of employees towards the organization. And that's why students, you can understand that the goodwill, or you can say that the corporate image becomes positive in front of the society as well as the employees. Now let's talk about the different features of succession planning. The first one feature, that is systematic process. Yes, succession planning is a systematic process of defining future management requirements and identifying the candidates who are best meet or suitable with the vacant position. So here it is a step-by-step procedure, and that's why it is called as systematic process. Second one feature, that is supply of the labor. Succession planning ensures continuous supply of the laborers within the organization for the future staffing needs. With succession planning, the skills and abilities of the current manpower are increased to meet the future position, and that's why it becomes easier to supply the laborers within the organization without wasting time and money. The third one feature, that is used for higher level organizational position. Generally, the succession planning is typically used for higher level organizational position such as executive level positions. Like if the company predict that its CEO will retire in nearby future, then with the help of succession planning, the organization may begin looking months or even years in advance to determine which current employee might be capable or suitable of taking over the position of CEO. The next one feature of succession planning, that is internal selection. Yes, this is the crucial feature of succession planning. Succession planning makes use of internal sources selection as opposed to hiring employees from the external source. With the internal selection, the organization becomes aware of the current employee skills and abilities, and therefore it's often better able to predict future performance than when hiring from the outside. Not only that, it will increase the positive attitude and high morale of the employees towards the organization. So, these are the basic features of succession planning. Thank you, students.